CLOV. We talked about this yesterday. I didn't know what the heck was going on, but apparently there's a short squeeze going on with this Clover Health Investments. CLOV, man, has been on the move. Campbell Soup a little bit lower after earnings today. So anyway, that's what's going on this morning. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the big show. And then again, as far as economic data, ladies and gentlemen, still a very, very slow week. Wholesale inventories at 10, crude inventories at 10:30. That's it. So overnight high went right to 35. Yesterday's high. Today's high so far, 35. Nice little double top.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Or you're looking for a bounce, that would be the place, around 29.
Order filled.
NASDAQ is now below the open. And NASDAQ, like I said, also potential short, right or right out, below overnight high, 77.50. So again, nice little look above and fail in the NASDAQ. They did the same thing yesterday. Look above and fail in the NQs. Same exact thing. So again, bias still down. Has not been a look below and fail yet. Matter of fact, we took out the VWAP, still going.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Wow, this is nuts. Futures choppy. Anyway, they're still playing games, meaning they're not breaking out to new all-time highs. The buying and selling pressure is kind of very balanced. They push it up, they take it down, they push it up, they take it down. Internals a little bit more bullish. Markets overall a little bit more bullish. Just the Dow's down 20 points. S&P, Comp, NDX, and Russell up. Again, 10-year yield down, helpful for large cap tech. We do have the VIX actually up 1%. VXX up 0.7%. VIX futures, new highs of the day, not the overnight, but almost.
Order filled.
VIX futures trading around 18.